You guys found me. Oh shit. Well, I guess I got some explaining to do. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Leave Vlog. So yeah, I've been kind of away from YouTube for about a month because a lot has changed in the past month or two. Yeah, so let me just get down to the nitty gritty. As you can see, we're in a location you guys have probably never seen before, and I never mentioned it on the YouTube channel, but we ended up buying a house. So this is the new Skateboard Lee Vlogs HQ. This is where you guys will see the installs, all that stuff. This is the garage right here, so I'll just tilt it. We got the vet in here right now, wife's car is on the other side. But yeah, this is gonna be the new Skateboard Lee HQ for the vlogs and all that stuff, for the installs, anything that I'm doing to this car, you know, will happen right here. So yeah. I kind of kept it under wraps because I was kind of nervous. It's my first home buying experience, so I really wasn't sure if something would have happened with the loan or something like that. For whatever reason, we don't end up getting the property. I didn't want to just put it out there to the public that I'm buying a house until I knew the deal was solidified. And then once the deal got solidified and we took the keys in and all that stuff, I got lazy because a lot comes with moving into a home. You have to buy a lot of stuff for the home, lots of building of furniture, all kinds of stuff. So pretty much I just put YouTube on the back burner for a little bit just to kind of refocus and get everything right in the home first before I brought you guys into the home. So yeah, but yeah, I'm glad you guys stuck around this long. Definitely. The views on my channel never declined or decreased or anything. It's still steady pace of views, so thank you for that. Subscribers going up. Thank you so much, guys, for that as well. We're at like 1,300, so we're on the road to 2,000. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. I didn't think I would ever even get past 1,000, so thank you guys so much. So yeah, what's new? I guess you guys are probably looking at my hair and it's a lot longer. That's kind of new. We have a new lens actually too. This is a Sony 10-18 lens, so a wider angle. I remember talking to you guys about that. I wanted a wider lens. Well, this is that lens, so no big reveal there. This is the new lens, so let's see if I can kind of adjust it so you guys can get an idea of how wide. Actually, it's already on. No, it's not. So yeah, this is widest setting. So yeah, we can get pretty wide. So all those POV inside the car shots will look a lot better on this lens. So yeah, I feel like there's some more new things that I have not mentioned. So yeah, if you guys want to see like the actual house and all that stuff, I'm going to direct you towards my wife's YouTube channel because she's actually going to do a real more in-depth look at the property, a little bit of the inside, outside, a little bit of everything. So I'm going to direct you guys towards her, but I can give you guys a little bit of detail. So this garage, this is a 3-car garage, so we got space for something else in the future if we need. What you call it? Driveway is actually pretty cool too. It's pretty big. So let me open. Oh, wrong way. Hope it's not too bright. But yeah, we got driveway right here. I'm gonna try to do my best without showing you guys my address. Oh shit. Okay, you guys, just fell. I'm using a new tripod as well. So yeah, it's a little something. But this video was mainly just an update video, just to say what's up to you guys, let you know I'm still alive, because I'm sure that can get kind of weird if there's somebody that you watch on YouTube and then they disappeared. Hold on a second. Whatever. That's enough light. So like I was saying, I'm sure that can kind of get weird if there's somebody that you watch on YouTube and then they disappear for like a month. You might worry about them because you might, you know, somewhat get attached to their vlogs and all that stuff. So I'm alive, guys. I'm here. I'm good. So thank you guys for all the support with the channel, all that stuff. I appreciate it so much. Yeah. So where do we go from here? I don't know. But I'm about to do an install video. It'll probably be the next video after this video, so you guys will see that. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for staying in tune with the channel. I appreciate all the support, subscribers, all that. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. You might like my stuff. Well, that's all I got for right now, guys. So until next time, Lee Vlogs out.